I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test question based on rational functions. You need to write a rational function with following properties. Vertical asymptotes at x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. Whole at minus 2, 5 over 3. No x-intercepts. You can always pause the video, answer the questions, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's understand how to solve such questions. So let's begin with the vertical asymptotes. So let's say the function is f of x, and if we want vertical asymptotes at x equals to 1 and minus 1, that means we have two factors in the denominator. One is x minus 1, the other one is x plus 1. Now they should be 0 to give you the vertical asymptote at x equals to 1 and minus 1. So that is what you get from the very first condition, correct? Now the second condition given to us is the whole. Now whole is given to us at a value which is x value of minus 2 and the y value is 5 over 3. So to get this value of minus 2, we know we have a common factor in numerator and denominator, which should be x plus 2. And that should also be in the denominator. Perfect. Now, to get the value of y over 3, let's take a here. The third condition here is no x-intercept. Degree of denominator is 3, that of numerator is 1, and therefore horizontal x-axis is the horizontal asymptote. Perfect. So that also makes it possible. Okay, now let's look into the solution for finding whole at 5 over 3. Now as you can see here, the common factor x plus 2 and x plus 2 will cancel. So what we get here is f of x equals to a over x minus 1 times x plus 1, where x is not equal to plus minus 1 and minus 2. Since we need whole at minus 2 5 over 3, that means y value should be 5 over 3 for x equals to minus 2. So for the whole, let us do the calculations. So let's calculate for the whole, which is at minus 2 5 over 3. So that means if I substitute the value of x as minus 2, I should get 5 over 3 as my answer, right? To get this value. So let's do it. So we have a over x is minus 2. So we get minus 2 minus 1 times minus 2 plus 1. So that gives you 5 over 3 equals to a over minus 3 times minus 1, which is a over 3. So clearly 5 is equal to a. So we get the value for a as equal to 5 to fulfill the condition that the whole is at minus 2 5 over 3. Do you see that part? And therefore we can write down the rational function f of x as equal to 5 over x minus 1 times x plus 1, correct? Now this particular equation will definitely give us the whole at minus 2, provided we write the condition that x is not equal to plus minus 1 and minus 2. Now since we have written this minus 2 here, it indicates that there is a discontinuity at minus 2. Now no factor is showing that, that means it is a whole, right? So this factor actually cancelled away. So that is how you could do it. Or to be on safe side, you could also write f of x as equal to 5 times x plus 2 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 2. Some of you could write x square minus 1 also, right? That's fair enough. So that is how you could actually write down the solution of this particular question. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'll be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.